Now we are going to do an exercise to practice passé récent. Passé récent is very simple compared to passé composé. The reason is we do not have to know the past participle. Now in these sentences we are going to fill in the blanks using the given verbs in the passé récent. Now in passé récent, what is our rule? We write the venir conjugation followed by the, followed by the infinitive of the verb. Now the infinitive is already given in the brackets. So our task is very simple. Are you ready to do it along with me? The first sentence. Il dash son professeur. Now the verb given is rencontrer. What do we have to do first? Venir in the present tense. Now what is the subject here? Il. For il, what is the venir conjugation? Vient. Yes. Vient. So what is the rule? Whenever you are trying to solve this, write the rule at the side or somewhere so that you can use that as a hint. Okay, so venir conjugation plus the plus infinitive. So we finish writing venir conjugation. What is our next step? The. Right, the. And the next step is the infinitive of the given verb. The verb is already given in the infinitive form. So il vient de rencontrer son professeur. So now we have written this in the passé récent. Moving on to the next sentence. Do you find it easy compared to passé composé? Yes, it is very easy. All you have to know is the conjugation of venir. The next sentence. Nous dash une lettre de Michel. Now the verb given to us is recevoir. Recevoir. So recevoir. Now how do we write the passé récent for this? What is our first step? Venir. Now for nous, what is the venir conjugation? It is venons. So we have finished our first step. The second step is the. We have written the. And the last step is to write the infinitive. Now the verb is already given in the infinitive form. Nous venons de recevoir une lettre de Michel. So, 3 steps we followed. First, we write the venir conjugation in the present tense for the given subject pronoun. Our second step is we write the, and the third step is you write the infinitive of the given verb. In this case, the infinitive is given directly. Now moving on to the next sentence. Vous dash la télévision. Now what is the subject pronoun here? It is vous. So we follow 3 steps. The first step is venir in the present tense. So for vous, how do we conjugate venir? It is venez. So we have finished our first step. The second step is, yes, it is the. And final step is to write the infinitive of the given verb. Now, since there is a vowel clash here, we write détendre. So this is how we write passé récent. So shall we move on to the next sentence? L dash au client. L dash. Now you have to fill in this blank using the passé récent. The verb given to us is téléphoner. Now our subject pronoun is elle. Kindly take note of this. This is third person plural. It is not in the singular form. So now our 3 steps. What is the first step? Venir in the present tense. So how do we conjugate venir for elle? It is vient. Vient. For elle, the conjugation of venir in the present tense is vient. Our next step is to add the. And our last step is to write the infinitive of the given verb. So this is how we write passé récent. And finally, let us try to write the last sentence. Tu dash rentrer de l'école. Tu, we have to fill in this blank with passé récent. Now the verb given to us is rentrer. Rentrer. Now what are our 3 steps? The first step is venir in the present tense. Our subject pronoun here is tu. How do we conjugate venir for tu? It is vient. Tu vient. Our next step is the. The. And finally, we have to write the verb in its infinitive form. So we have completed an exercise using passé récent. I hope you found it easy. It's just one simple formula kind of thing. 3 steps. Venir in the present tense plus the infinitive. So I hope you understood how to use passé récent.